In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a section break in your document. Whether you're working on a lengthy report, an upcoming manuscript, or any document that demands a structured layout, mastering the use of section breaks is essential for creating a well-organized presentation. To start, place your cursor where you want the new section to begin. Perhaps you're wrapping up a chapter, changing the layout style, or simply marking a transition within your work. Wherever you decide this point should be, ensure that the cursor is set there to kick off the process. Now, navigate over to the Layout tab at the top of your screen. In some older software versions, this might be labeled as Page Layout. But don't worry, it's essentially the same thing, offering you the tools you need to manage your page structure effectively. Once you're in the Layout tab, look for a section labeled Breaks. Go ahead and click on it. What you'll see next is a list of various break options tailored for different formatting needs. It's a small but powerful menu where each option serves a different purpose. For your section break, you're interested in the types that reset the formatting or placement of your content. The choices you'll come across include Next Page, Continuous, Even Page, and Odd Page. So let's go over these options briefly to determine which one will best suit your needs. The Next Page break is used to start the new section on the next page and is particularly useful when moving to a new chapter or major section of your document. If, however, you want to start a new section but keep everything on the same page, then Continuous is your go-to. This keeps your content flowing seamlessly on the current page. The Even Page starts the new section on the next even-numbered page. Similarly, the Odd Page option will begin your new section on the next odd-numbered page. These last two are great for printed documents, where you might want each major section to start on a particular set page, like in book design or booklets. For today's demonstration, we'll focus on the Next Page break. Once you've made your choice, simply click on it. The section break will be inserted automatically at your cursor's location. You may not see anything visible immediately in your document, but don't worry, it's there. If you're wondering how to confirm the section break is indeed in place, there's an easy way to check. Head over to the Home tab and look for the P symbol, often referred to as the Show/Hide button. Clicking this will reveal all the formatting marks in your document, allowing you to see exactly where your section breaks and other formatting features are. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a section break to your document, paving the way for a professional, neat, and organized structure. Keep practicing this skill, and you'll find your document editing abilities soar to new heights.